Hi, I am LUTH, and this is my adventures.
Are you ready for adventures with LUTH? Let's go!
Hey, hey, come out to play. LUTH's adventure starts today. Jump in puddles, climb a tree. Air, learning's fun for you and me. Go, go, LUTH, hooray! Let's learn and laugh today. Colors, animals, counting too. Now to sing a crunchy time with me and you. Go, go, LUTH, hooray! Let's learn and laugh today. Colors, animals, counting too. Now to sing a crunchy time with me and you.
Let's go!
Hey, hey, come out to play. LUTH's adventure starts today. Jump in puddles, climb a tree. Air, learning's fun for you and me. Go, go, LUTH, hooray! Let's learn and laugh today. Colors, animals, counting too. Now to sing a crunchy time with me and you. Go, go, LUTH, hooray! Let's learn and laugh today. Colors, animals, counting too. Now to sing a crunchy time with me and you.
Look, there's little turtle. Hi, little turtle. You look so worried. What happened?
Oh no, it's rescue time. The poor baby turtle is in trouble. Its mother is trapped and tangled in a net. Before we begin our adventures with LUTH, did you know we can explore the deep sea by submarine? And even go scuba diving too? Here's what you need when exploring the deep sea with scuba diving. A special outfit called a wetsuit, a scuba mask, swim fins, and, most importantly, an oxygen tank so you can breathe underwater.
Aha! I've got all my scuba gear packed and ready in my magic backpack.
Great! Looks like LUTH is all set to explore the deep sea. While LUTH and the turtle dive down below, let's learn some colors together. Ready? Okay, what is the color of the sea? Yes, it's blue.
Yay!
Do you know what color is the seaweed? Great, it's green.
Yay!
And the clownfish? Do you know what color is the clownfish? Yes, it's orange.
Yay!
Now let's sing some colors with LUTH.
Hi, this is LUTH. Let's sing along with me.
Sky is blue, so big and wide, just like the ocean side by side. Blueberries, sweet blueberries too. All of these are shades of blue. Colors, colors everywhere, in the sky and in the air. Nature's painting bright and fun. Let's name colors one by one. Sunset orange in the sky makes us smile, oh me, oh my. to explore the liquid blue skies? Let's dive in with Lou. Down in the ocean, colors bright and true. Waves say hello in the big sky blue. LUTH dives in with a splash, splash too. Ready to explore all the animals he knew. Blue, blue, ocean blue.
Under the water, scuba divers can't talk with their voices, so they use their hands. These special hand signs help them say things like, I'm okay,
Look around,
let's go,
see underwater friends and a blue sea.
or look over there. It's like underwater talking, but with your fingers. Here is some scuba dive hand signal you can learn.
Are you ready to explore the liquid blue skies? Let's dive in with Lou. Down in the ocean, colors bright and true. Waves say hello in the big sky blue. LUTH dives in with a splash, splash too. Ready to explore all the animals he knew. Blue, blue, ocean blue. Fish and turtles swimming through. Starfish, dolphins saying woo.
Oh, no. What's that floating in the water? Is that a plastic bag? A diaper? And more rubbish? Why is the ocean so full of trash? LUTH doesn't like it, and neither do the fish, the turtles, or any sea creatures. Do you know how the rubbish end up in the ocean? All this rubbish ends up in the ocean when people throw trash on the ground or in the rivers. The wind and water carry it all the way to the sea. That's why we must always put our trash in the bin to help keep the ocean clean and happy.
Are you ready to explore the liquid blue skies? Let's dive in with Lou. Down in the ocean, colors bright and true. Waves say hello in the big sky blue. LUTH dives in with a splash, splash too. Ready to explore all the animals he knew. Blue, blue, ocean blue. Fish and turtles swimming through. Starfish, dolphins saying woo. LUTH swims happy in the ocean blue. Look around, what do we see? Underwater friends and a blue sea.
Do you love exploring underwater?
Yay!
Seems LUTH and the little turtle dive a deep sea already. Okay, let's help LUTH count the starfish on the seafloor. How many blue starfish do you see?
1,
How many pink starfish?
3,
And how many orange starfish?
2. Yay!
Wow, look! Do you see that huge animal in the water? Wow! What do you think that big creature is? It's so big, almost like a dinosaur, right? That amazing animal is called a blue whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the whole ocean, and the biggest mammal living on Earth today. And that deep, low noise you hear? That's the whale sound underwater.
LUTH, his name is LUTH. Spell it out, L-U-T-H. He loves adventures every day.
if it ends up in the ocean. That's why today we're learning not to litter and to always recycle our rubbish, so we don't hurt animals or nature.
Yes, Luth's rescue mission today was a big success. Yay! Thank you for helping Luth today. See you on Luth's next adventure. Don't forget, don't throw your rubbish everywhere. Put it in the rubbish bin. Let's save the turtles and others' animals. Let's help the ocean clean. Let's save nature. Let's help our planet Earth. Bye-bye.
I love you, Kadisha.
I love you too, Luth.